Hello. Okay, next tutorial. This time I did another original clown makeup because it has been a while and you all know how much I absolutely love doing clown makeups. And as it's spooky season, I have a really fantastically awesome surprise for you all. A video message from the REAL Wrinkles the Clown. What? It's so cool!
Hey there, Pinkstylist fans, it's me, Wrinkles the Clown, coming to you live from behind the bushes at your mom's house. Hey-o! Just kidding. I'm not really behind your mom's house. This is just a green screen, but yeah, you knew that already. All joking aside, I just want to take a second to wish you guys a safe and happy Halloween. But alright, enough clowning around. Let's get to the meat and potatoes here. Guys, I hope you're excited. Let's get ready for another kick-ass tutorial by none other, Pinkstylist.
How awesome was that? Oh my god, don't mind me just internally fanboying over a terrifying clown. Thank you so much, Wrinkles, for being in this video with me. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm going to try and calm down a little bit, but oh my god, I'm so happy. So there's not much else to say about this makeup, really, other than I had a lot of fun doing it. If you'd like to learn how to do this makeup for yourself, stay tuned. Oh my god, Wrinkles with a video with me. So first things first, let's lose the hair. So to do that, I'm going to pop on a plain latex bald cap. I won't show you how to do that in this video just to make things go a little bit quicker, but as always, I will pop a link on the screen up there that will take you to a video where I do teach you how to do that. So I'm going to go pop on my bald cap and we'll go from there. So there we are, nice and smooth. I also went around the edge of my bald cap with a couple layers of liquid latex just to blend the seam off. So next, I want to talk to you all about the prosthetic that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this gorgeous clown prosthetic that's made of foam latex. It's definitely one of the more detailed clown prosthetics that I've ever seen. I'm really excited to apply it. Hopefully you can see all those gorgeous details that have been sculpted in. It's fantastic. So as I mentioned before, this piece is actually made of foam latex and I actually got it from Mostlydead.com. I'll flash that link on the screen there. That link will also be in the description bar below. The piece itself is actually made by Infected Effects and I'm really excited because I've never used one of their prosthetics before, so it's going to be awesome. So to stick foam latex down, I like to use Prostick. It's just a really strong prosthetic adhesive. And I take that Prostick and a paper-based cotton bud, dip it in the Prostick and apply that to a small area in the middle of my face. I can then apply it to the corresponding area on the prosthetic, so just in the centre, let that go a little bit tacky and then stick that down. Then we can work on applying some more adhesive going away from the face, just so that everything is stuck down and there's no air bubbles or ridges. Then, once everything is stuck down, we can take some more Prostick and a new cotton bud and we can start applying that, rolling away to all of the edges going completely around the face. That way it will seal off all of the edges really nicely and blend them off into the skin. Then next, I'm going to take a white face paint. This one is by Chameleon, and I'm going to use that to paint the entire face, bald cap, ears, and my neck. Then next, I'm going to take a M.A.C paint stick in black, which is just a really nice black cream, and using a really sharp angle brush, I'm going to start tracing all of these gorgeous expression lines all over the face. So the idea is to apply it quite heavily in the deepest set wrinkles and then blend the colour away. I'm also going to make some new nasolabial folds using the same black cream and angle brush, so I'm just going to go around my nose, follow the shape of the prosthetic and then taper the colour downwards. So there we are. So next I'm taking another face paint. This one is by Superstar in black, and I'm going to use that to colour in my eyelids and underneath my eyes. Okay, so don't worry about the shape or the neatness for now because we're going to be blending that colour out afterwards. But for now, I'm going to take a Sugarpill eyeshadow in AcidBerry. It's this gorgeous bright green, and I'm going to apply that quite heavily all around the entire eye area, blending it as far away as I can. Okay, so then before I do anything else, I'm going to take that same Superstar black face paint and we can start drawing on the lines going down the middle of the eye. So rather than just doing them completely straight, I'm going to do them a little bit wavy this time just to make a change. And then I'm just adding some more of the AcidBerry eyeshadow just over the new lines that I've drawn. Okie dokie, so it kind of has Maleficent vibes, doesn't it? So then I'm going to take the same black watercolour and do a couple of lines going underneath the eyes. I'm not going to make these squiggly because I think it might be too much, so I'm just going to do two very long triangles going down the face and maybe a few lines going through them. And then I'm just going to do exactly the same that I did on top with the AcidBerry Sugarpill eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply that to the sides of the new lines. I'm then going to take a black eyeshadow by Sugarpill and I'm going to blend this entire area just around the eyes, not the two lines, just this general area here. I just don't want there to be an abrupt edge. I'm then going to take the same black face paint and I'm going to start working on the mouth area. So I'm going to do quite big lips going out to the sides of the face, and then I'm going to do a few more lines going through them like I've done underneath the eyes. And I'm just blending the colour underneath downwards a little bit, just because I really like the effect that the black is kind of sinking into the wrinkles around the mouth. And I'm just going to mix in some more of that AcidBerry colour just around the entire mouth. Actually, on second thought, I think I might just do it on the bottom half of the mouth as opposed to the top as well, because it kind of looks like this is coming out of the mouth and I really like that kind of slime effect. Then still with the same green eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply that to the tip of my nose in a circular pattern. Then finally, I'm going to take a MAC Fluidline in Blacktrack, which is a cream that's safe for the waterline of your eyes, and I'm just going to colour them both in just to get rid of any hint of skin tone. So then, all that's left for me to do is to pop in some contact lenses, pop on a costume, and we'll see what it looks like. And there we go. That's my look. Officially complete. So I finished the look off by popping in two black and red sclera contact lenses just to really help tie in that kind of green and red theme. And I popped on this fantastic clown costume that I actually got from eBay. And I finished it off with some white gloves. And of course my trusty hammer, which I also got from eBay. So yeah, that's my tutorial. I know I've done quite a few clown makeups by now, but I really wanted to see if I could do something a little bit different. Hopefully this came out okay. Plus, let's be honest, I couldn't let spooky season go without doing at least one clown makeup on my channel. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and a massive thank you to Wrinkles the Clown for being in this video with me. And yeah, so that's my makeup tutorial. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did like it, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, so until next time. Bye fluffies!